Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm getting ready for some outing, some real outing actually. I was going with my sister and my friends. So I thought of make a makeup tutorial. So I'm starting with my raw face. I applied a light moisturizer and after that I'm fixing my eyebrows. I did nothing, I just brushed them upward and then I used a red lipstick as my color corrector. And after that I'm using Wet n Wild concealer in the shade medium beige. Firstly I will blend my products with my fingers only, and then for more smoother finish I will use iMagic Beauty Blender. Beauty Blender actually minimizes the product also, so it looks natural. After that I'm taking a loose powder to set my under eyes, and this one is from Focallure Face in the shade 2. This powder definitely gives a smoother finish. If you are in budget, you can try this one. Next, I'm taking a beautiful brown shade. This one is from Beauty Glazed and this is their color shades palette. I'm using the shade Coffee. I carefully placed it into my crease and started blending it with a fluffy brush. I blended the product until there is any harsh line left. Next, I used a very beautiful color. This is a sky blue color. It's from Technique Hot Foil palette. This palette is really beautiful but little hard to work with. I again took the shade Coffee to intensify my crease. Also I'm blending the outer half of my lid where I applied the brown shade. This palette does a lot of fallout and definitely that's a down part. Moving on to liner, I'm using the Lakme Insta liner and then I will move on to my face. I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Soft Beige. I started blending it with a sponge. As Wet n Wild foundation has a sheer to medium coverage and I'm going to stay outside all day long and I'm wearing a saree, I'm feeling special, so I thought of building up another layer. And this time I'm blending it really well so that it doesn't look cakey at all. After blending my whole face, I'm again taking the sponge and I'm dabbing into my skin so that if there is any extra product, it does absorb. I'm using a little amount of powder and I simply am trying to just set my face with that. And after that I will use blush into my cheeks, and it's my favorite part. To make my cheeks rosy, I'm using a rosy pink blush. And then I'm using a highlighter shade which matches my skin color. After blending my highlighter, I'm moving on to my eyes again. For my lower lash line, I again took the shade Coffee which I have already used into my crease. After completing one eye, I will move on to my another eye. Smiling with you guys can also eye to eye. My sister did not notice I'm making a tutorial. She is standing in front of me. I'm using the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. To draw the outer part of my lip, I'm using the iMagic lipstick in the shade Denote. And for inner part, I'm using the iMagic lipstick in the shade 08. From behind my back, my sister came in front of my eyes to talk with me. I just told her, please hat jao yaar. And as always, I don't know, I felt after completing the makeup, my lipstick is not suiting me. And I mixed a brown shade and this is my final look. Share your thoughts with me in the comment box down below. And if you like my video, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.